So what do we got going on today, John?
Got metal in.
You mean all this?
All that.
And it's going?
Right there.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Got a pretty exciting day today. Finally, kind of the big day has come. We have received the building to put on our new concrete pad. I'm gonna let my brother go over it a little bit with y'all and give y'all kind of a layout and go from there. So let me go meet up with him and see what he has to say. Not many people have a big concrete front yard, do they?
Not at all. Check it out, guys. This is gonna be a porch. 25 foot deep, 100 foot long. We're gonna have us a big 4-post lift sitting right here. Gonna be great for doing oil changes on our bigger trucks and some of our fleet for pulling trailers and our daily drivers. This bay right here is gonna be where we're gonna wash our cars. We're gonna have a boom up top, to hold our pressure wash on.
Check that big hole.
Check out this big hole here. We decided we're gonna put a Garmat 3000 downdraft paint booth right here. It's 31 foot long. It'll have a paint mixing room, 10 foot by 10 foot sitting up here in the front. So yeah, it'll be pretty awesome. This is gonna be our little detail area here. And we're gonna have a double door here going out to our wash bay so we can, wash our cars and do a good job. This will be the outside wall of our building here. So this is just a sidewalk here to mount our air conditioner systems and whatever else we want back there, plus to kind of keep nature off of our building a little bit. This little area between the pipes here and the paint booth is going to be our prep area for wet sanding and blocking out jobs on our fresh cars that we're working on. Also, masking cars here. This area right here is going to be a bathroom, and it's just going to be a smaller room here. It'll be a full-blown bathroom. It'll dump out here into our lounge area where we'll have a conference table, and we'll have a nice coffee bar here because coffee is life. And then over here, this is gonna be another porch actually. There's no lifts out here. This is just gonna be, for parking our daily drivers and stuff we wanna look at, from our house. And so you'll come out of the lounge in here, out into the shop. We're gonna have a mezzanine up here above the prep bay, the lounge, and a little bit out over here. That way we can, have a real nice area to work on, just mechanical bay.
Office upstairs.
Offices upstairs, a little storage. And we'll have two post lifts out in this corner of the shop with our toolboxes. There'll be a glass garage door right here, so we'll be able to look in and out anytime. And right across from that, there's gonna be another glass garage door so you can be able to see in and out, have plenty of natural light coming in. This corner over here, we're gonna have 3 4-post lifts. And there'll be smaller lifts, more of a storage style of a lift to, keep our projects that we don't want turned into a rust pile. Maybe a nicer car or two, here, so it keep it out of the weather. We'll have another big old 16 by 16 glass garage door here facing out toward our next shop. So over here, directly across from this shop, we're gonna build a 60 foot by 150 foot long building that'll have a 25 foot porch, just like one of these over here, and we'll build an asphalt road across here so it'll connect mine and my brother's property to my parents' property and their entrance road. It's gonna be great.
Hey guys, check it out. The building. We got it right there, all done. You see that pad? Damn. All right, let's put it up.
Here. Tell people what we're doing here.
What are we doing here, John?
Putting this together. Check that out. That all tells us how to bolt this steel and all that over yonder together. It's like an adult erector set. I think we might need a little bit of luck. All right, Blake, how'd our first post hanging endeavor go?
Not bad.
Yeah, it didn't go too bad. It went pretty good. It's dinner time, so all we had time for was, anchoring this one to the scissor lift, but it'll be all right. What do you say about it, Nug?
Oh, the nugget dog, what doing?
Good morning from the Coyote Ranch. Exciting day here today. We have a 18-wheeler truck full of awesome components. Yeah. Another day out here at the Coyote Ranch. We're gonna hang some metal. We also have a big delivery coming in. Something we've been waiting on for about 3 months. It's pretty expensive, so looking forward to sharing that with y'all here when it arrives sometime today. So stand by. All right, guys, time to hang up some metal. It's time to go over our plans here, kind of figure out which piece we're gonna put up first. Use this big old machine here, and straps and hooks. Keep on watching. Y'all.
They're leaving both trailers, right?
Leaving both trailers.
Open it up.
Let's open it up. I'm excited. It's been a long time coming.
Well, that's a great packing job right there. Yeah. The first thing we see is the air makeup unit. Yeah. What's up, y'all? Yesterday we got these 3 posts put up with all the Z-purlin. Plan is we're gonna put up the 3 over here and get 3 trusses up and then continue on with the base. So we're gonna continue on with that. We'll see y'all here in a little bit. All right, 6 down. Let's see, 4 more main posts to go, and then trusses. So we're running out of daylight, so probably tomorrow. All right, we got the first 6 posts nice and squared up with the cables. Took us a little while to learn that. And we got some trusses put together. Yeah, these are gonna be fun to put up. We are finally ready to hang our first 3 trusses. This should be fun. So we're excited. The trusses are behind me, all put together. Still a lot to do, so let's get after it. Progress report, we have 6 posts up, most of the wall purlin for those bays, and 2 trusses and all of the Z purlin for those. So the next step to building this thing is probably going to be to get the rest of the wall posts up, the rest of the wall purlin up, and then continue on with hanging trusses. But today I have something else I need to do. I'll come over here and show y'all. So this is the site of the first building. This is going to be the paint shop, and then behind me here is the road into the property, and this is going to be paved. And then on the other side there, where all the rest of the components for this building are, I need to finish clearing this out because this is going to be the location of the second shop. So this shop is going to be the 150 foot long by about 85 foot wide. The porches are gonna line up. There's gonna be a porch on that side. This is gonna be for metalworking and for storing cars, kind of a car showroom we've been planning for a while. So for today, I'm probably gonna get the tape measure out, see how far I need to come. I need to come 60 foot from the edge of the porch here, this way towards the highway, and then probably clear out an extra 10, 15 foot that way of it. And then I need to get the laser out here and see where this land is, what kind of grade we have, if we need to come down with it any, if we need to come up with it. So yeah, I'm gonna get started with that and see where I get. Concrete people will be here tomorrow to fix a couple issues with the current pad and talk about the new pad, so let's get on it.
I have what I need to clear out measured, roughly 85 feet. It looks like, if you can see right behind me, 2x4 there lines up pretty well with what we have cleared here for this shop, so I think that's gonna work out good. So next step is I need to clear out every tree. Actually, it looks like most of the cactus has been done here, so it's mostly just gonna be mesquite trees. A couple of piles that still need to be moved, so I'm gonna get on that. Let's go over here and get the skid steer. The skid steer over here we bought a few years ago. We figured this property has so much cactus, as you can kind of tell behind me. It would have been impossible to clear any of this land without something decent. We have this little John Deere tractor here, but it's like 18 horsepower or something like that. It's not a very capable machine, so we decided a couple of years ago, after talking about it for a couple of years, that we should buy a skid steer. So as you can see behind me, there's skid steer implements. So auger, rock bucket, truss boom, trencher that's basically worthless. The Danuser is my favorite piece. It's maybe my favorite implement. So we're gonna go over here, we're gonna hook it up. Oh, also the laser grader. Might not have needed it, but since we're gonna be doing a lot of asphalt and quite a few concrete pads, we figured we want some level. Guarantee that this stuff is level, and you don't guarantee that most of the time unless you do it yourself. So anyways, I'm gonna come over here and we're gonna hook up the Danuser Intimidator. This thing has got two giant jaws on it right here that hydraulically open and close and clamp around small trees and fence posts and that sort of thing, and pulls them right out of the ground. So I'm gonna hook that up. Skid steer. All right, let's get after it. Oh, and y'all don't forget, if you got one of these, clean these off before you hook anything up, because you don't want that getting in your hydraulic fluid. So clean it up. That only takes a minute. Mostly a lot of trees pulled up. Kind of hard to see. Show y'all one interesting thing about what we have. We have a tree out here called mesquite. For you those who aren't familiar with it, it's kind of a thorny, bushy type tree that has super long roots. So I'll show you here. Here's one of the roots. Pull it out here so y'all can see it. So here's one of the roots. Kind of how long they can sometimes be. I'd say that's probably 15 foot long, and it's really hard to pull them up because these roots go really deep looking for water. Oh, also it's real fun around here because this is a standard size rock. Oh, I can't even move it. So this is the size rocks we have to deal with. They're pretty shallow, maybe a foot down. I think that's gonna do it for now. I got a good bit done. I'll have to get the bucket and the dump trailer over here and continue on. All right, end of another day. We got the whole second bay up and bolted together. So next step, I think, is going to be the rest of the posts, rest of the wall purling, and then the rest of the trusses. All right, y'all, so I'm filming this a little bit in the future because initially I planned for the first video to be putting up the entire structure of the building, but after getting into the editing process, it's getting a little long, so I'm gonna cut it off at about 20 minutes. I don't think y'all wanna watch anything longer than that. I think that's getting a little ridiculous. So for now, that's gonna do it for Coyote Ranch. We hope y'all like what you see. If you do, if any suggestions, leave them in the comment section. Consider subscribing and sharing and liking and all that kind of stuff. So for now, I hope y'all have a good day and y'all take care now. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.